In a world where culinary boundaries are relentlessly pushed, there exists a dish that stands defined in the face of innovation, a testament to the timeless dance of simplicity and depth. It's lasagna, but not as you know it. This isn't your grandmother's Sunday dinner, nor the quick fix of a desperate college student. No, we're venturing into a realm where the rustic charm of Italian tradition meets a bold, unapologetic twist. Imagine, if you will, layer upon layer of pasta, each sheet whispering secrets of quick cook convenience, yet promising the rich, comforting embrace only lasagna can offer. Between these whispers, a ragu that roars with the rugged, unrefined goodness of pork sausage meat. Its richness cut through by the sharp wit of red chilli and earthy wisdom of mushrooms. But the rebellion doesn't end there. In a move that could make purists clutch their pearls, we're folding in crème frâiche and spinach into our ragu. A creamy, verdant nod to the modern palate quest for complexity and balance. And just when you think you've grasped the full picture, there's the tomato and thyme sauce. A bright, cheeky concoction that laughs in the face of convention, marrying the sun-kissed sweetness of tomatoes with the aromatic audacity of thyme. We're nearly out of time, so let me finish up. Crowned with a defiantly strong cheddar, this lasagna isn't just baked, it's a declaration of culinary insurrection baked at 190 degrees Celsius, until it bubbles and browns into something that at once familiar, yet thrillingly novel. So, dear viewer, as we stand on the precipice of this gastronomic adventure, I invite you to discard your preconceptions, put your phone down, pay attention, embrace the rebellion, and to discover that in the world of cooking, as in life, the most memorable moments often come from the most unexpected places.
Quiet.
job by talking over it like that, by the way.
Okay. Pasta, what?
If you push it down, it will get cooked from the steam. And then you can have a layer of, you can sprinkle some water on top of it as well. And then the mozzarella.
I think it's going to be too wet. For a bit. very hot. Nice. There's a little bit of spice of the chili. It's lovely.